today's topic is all about grading in NCC examinations. So let's get started. Grading in NCC examinations. A cadet has to be obtained 45% marks in each paper and 50% marks in the aggregate to pass the examinations. Grading based on total marks obtained will be awarded grade A, B, C. For grade A cadet should obtain 80% marks or above. For grade B, a cadet should obtain 65% marks and above but below 80%. For grade C, a cadet should obtain 50% marks and above but below 80%. And coming to fail percentage, a cadet less than 45% in any paper or less than 50 of aggregate is considered as a failure. So be careful, study well. If you fail in NCC, you have to start again from the beginning. So do hard work, all the best. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Like this, do like, share among your NCC friends and subscribe Goals Wireless channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget